Guys, so you can see the question. This is just a random video, a test video. Okay, I'm just trying to test the camera quality. So I thought of why not just solving a question in a short time. So guys, basically what I'll do, I'll just walk you through this question. This is basically a communication question. Random variable, random process from the GATE ECE paper 2016. It's a 2-mark question. It's a numerical answer type. So it's told to find the power of the random process x of t, and given is that random process is a linear combination of another random process, which is a zero mean stationary random process. So, and its autocorrelation function is given. So we know that power is basically nothing but the mean square value of a random process here, right? So we know that mean square value, it's given by e of the function squared of t, like e of x squared t. So basically here it's given that the random process x of t is 3v of t minus 8, that is e of 3v of t minus 8 square. Okay, so guys, we need to do this directly. Like, you don't have to think much, because whenever it's told to find the power, it always note that it is wanting the average power, or basically the total power, that is the total power of the random process. So directly we can use the mean square value for this, that is the statistical average. So this will become e of 9v square t plus 64 minus 48 v of t. Okay, so now we know that basically the expectation operator, so here the expectation operator will work only on these random variables, that is v of t and v square t. So e of 9 e of v of t square, v of t, please ignore my handwriting, guys. And for the constant, expectation of a constant is the constant itself, that is 64 minus 48 times e of v of t. Okay, so guys, now, so basically guys, this is the mean square value, and this is nothing but the mean of what? Mean of the v of t, that is the random process which was given, of which this x of t is a linear combination. So basically now what we have to do, we know that mean square value is nothing but autocorrelation function evaluated at time tau is equal to 0 instant. Because actually if we see that what is the autocorrelation function, is e of x of t plus tau, right? Basically autocorrelation means that the function, the random process means the random process which is compared with itself distanced apart a particular time instant at tau. So basically now what we have to do, if we put here tau is equal to 0, right? So if we put here tau is equal to 0, then what will this become? This will become e of x square t, right? That is, this is the rxx of 0, that is rxx of tau. This is nothing but rxx of tau, because this is because we know that for any for the autocorrelation function of the first order, that is if it is the first order joint PDF, if you calculate, this will be nothing but the time difference of both the instants, like time difference of t minus tau, and this will be minus tau. And we know that if it is minus tau, because rxx of tau is autocorrelation is nothing but an even function, so rxx of minus tau will be equal to rxx of tau. So basically rxx of 0, so this now it will become, this will become that rxx of 0. Now in the question it was given that rv of tau is equals to 4 e to the power minus 5 mod of tau. So here rxx of 0 will become 4, right? 4 into e to the power 0, that is 1 approximate, this will become 4, not approximately, I'm just kidding. So this will become 9 into 4 plus 64 minus, now see, in the question it was told that v of t is a zero mean stationary random process, means we can say that the mean, that is the mean value, average value is 0, so it will become plus 0, that is 36 plus 64, that is 100 watts. So the answer will be 100 watts for this question. So guys, you can, if you have any doubt in this question in any step, so you can comment down below in the comment section. I will reply to your doubts. Okay, thank you for being this.